Hey everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make transparent tags in CapCut. So here I've already on the CapCut apps and I'm going to just add the tags. You can just add any tags that you want. Then choose your favorite font. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And to make it transparent, you can just go to style and here click on style, scroll down until you find the opacity. So you can just lower the opacity of the text to make it look transparent like this. There you go. You can just adjust it how you like. For example, I'm going to go with 11%. Just click on the check icon and you are basically done. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.